What is deja vu doing inside of my dream? This is the big metaphysical and the phenomenological question downtown San Francisco. What is deja vu doing in the dream? You have deja vu on the three-dimensional, the physical material plane. Got myself a new hat to cover my 25 feet of world's longest dreadlocks. What is a deja vu doing coexisting in a dream? Deja vu
an idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when you have bipolar 2, which is hypomania. You have bipolar, the third bipolar, which is considered cyclothymia or cyclothymia. And then you have bipolar 4, which is atypical, which doesn't technically apply to any